How to fix login error in Airbnb. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi icon to turn on your Wi-Fi and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are facing any login errors, simply tap on the settings and you want to scroll down and click on general. Click on iPhone storage and you want to start scrolling and navigate yourself to the Airbnb application. Click on show all and it will show all the applications on an app and it will show all the applications on your device. Click on the Airbnb app over here. Click on offload app and click on offload app again. After that, you want to tap on reinstall application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. Next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.